Does papaya leaves grow hair? It's a question I asked a lot of the times, and I personally asked myself this question. So therefore, in today's video, I decided to go on a 14 days challenge where I will find out whether this papaya will grow my hair in 14 days or not. If you are ready, stick with me till the end, because everything I do on this challenge, I'm going to drop it in this video. And if at all papaya helped my hair to grow, I will be giving my honest review. I promise that for sure. So for me to do this challenge, I know that if this thing has results or not, I'm going to start on a clean scalp. Where I went to the salon, they take good care of my hair. They was really gentle by washing my hair. You can see the process. And now I am making a twist, a very simple hairstyle where I will not add any extension, only my natural hair. Let the challenge begins. See, there is beauty when you know that you have a good natural hair. See how people were looking at me in that salon, and I was so happy getting the joy that, oh, what I'm doing on my hair is actually paying off. You understand? Take care of your hair. Like, watch this video to know more recipes and more remedy. Use the one that will have the best and the fast effects. See how clean my scalp is looking, and you can tell that my scalp is shining. Yeah, this is the first step that is taken. The second step is for me to go and get my papaya leaves, and you can see it's in the harmattan, which is winter in Nigeria, and the weather is actually dusty. You can see my papaya leaves has a lot of dust, so I'm doing a good job by washing it properly with a lot of water to remove the dust, because we don't want that dust in our hair. If we use this papaya leaves with the dust on it, it is as good as putting dirt on your hair. Now that my papaya leaves are very clean, I'm going to cut it in the size I will be able to squeeze the juice out of it. So I'm done cutting. Now it's time for me to add my water. Now that I'm squeezing, I'm making sure that the greenish part of this papaya leaves has dropped inside this water that I just add. If you're adding water, make sure you are using drinking water, a water you know that is 100% or 95% clean. Now that I'm done with squeezing my papaya leaves to get the juice, I will transfer in the bowl that I'll be able to sieve. Now I'm sieving my papaya juice to be able to use on my scalp. Make sure the particles from the papaya leaves does not drop on your hair. If not, you have particles on your hair which will stress you when you want to remove them. The challenge begins proper. Now this is my first day of using this papaya leaves on my hair, and let us watch to see if at all it has a good outcome. Now this is another day, and I decided to do something different, because doing this challenge without moisturizing your hair, it is not a good sign of growth. Today I just decided that is the day I will moisturize my hair with some products I love using on my hair. First one, I use Cantu leave-in spray. The second one, I use leave-in strengthener from Mega Growth brand. Then the third one, I use coconut oil, but you can use your hair growth oil. Then you massage it with a massaging brush or your hands. Do not leave yet, yes, because the result, something is about to go down. So if you want to actually enjoy and see the magic this thing has to offer, please keep on watching. I'm not regretting it at all that I embarked on this challenge. The best thing I did was to dip my entire hair inside these papaya leaves. Make sure that it's saturating my entire scalp and the strands of my hair. I hope that makes sense. And how I store this papaya juice is I put it in the freezer so that it won't spoil, because I don't have access to these papaya leaves that will say I will making it every day as I do this challenge. So that is how I store these papaya leaves, but I did the same thing all over again. When I finish saturating my hair with this papaya juice, I squeeze my hair to extract the excess papaya juice so that it won't be dripping all over as I walk around the house. Now we are about to close this challenge. So what you do for me is I'm pleading that if you will give me a like, I will be glad, and if you join the family, you are highly welcome. So hello icons, welcome and welcome back in today's video. Today's video is about papaya hair growth challenge for 14 days, and I am seeing results already. So if you are loving this channel, please do well to join me, because your girl, when it comes to natural hair, I will not disappoint. You always have me here back to back every day, whether from short or from long-term content. I hope that makes sense. So now it's time for us to review the results and judge the results in the comment section if you are seeing changes. But personally, me, I believe that this has promotes a little bit of growth, and it's something to say it's a yes for. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do well to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye. This is my honest review when it comes to using papaya for 14 days. You can see my hair has a lot of growth, and I also notice darkness. That's what my hair gets more darker. Please do well to give me a like and subscribe to stay tuned with me. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. What do you actually think of this papaya for massive hair growth? Rate this recipe in the comment section from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up in my next video. Some kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.